6 reasons why your toenail smells like cheese and amp. What to do about it. Have you ever taken off your socks and wondered, what's that smell, and why does it remind me of cheese? Don't worry, you're not alone, and there's a reason for it. Introvate. In this video, we're here to get to the root of the problem and help you solve it. Your feet work hard every day, and sometimes they demand attention in the weirdest ways. A cheesy toenail odor may sound comical, but it's often a sign of something your body is trying to tell you. So let's dive in and explore what's going on. Our feet are home to over 250,000 sweat glands, making them prime real estate for bacteria. When sweat gets trapped under socks or shoes, bacteria feasted on it and release smelly byproducts, often reminiscent of, you guessed it, cheese. It's not just you. Science backs up this stinky situation. To counteract this, wash your feet daily. Dry them thoroughly, especially between the toes, and switch to breathable socks made from cotton or moisture-wicking fabrics. These small changes can make a world of difference. If your toenail smell sticks around even after a wash, a fungal infection may be to blame. Nail fungus thrives in warm, dark, and damp environments, like inside your shoes. It can cause yellowing, brittleness, and that funky odor no one wants to talk about. Over-the-counter antifungal treatments can help, but severe cases might need professional care. Don't wait too long. Addressing toenail fungus early saves time, money, and your toenails' health. Let's face it, it's easy to forget about our feet, hidden away in socks and shoes. Sometimes, not washing or scrubbing well enough allows dirt, sweat, and bacteria to build up. This concoction can create an unpleasant smell and even lead to more infections. Make it a habit to thoroughly clean your feet every day with soap and warm water. A quick foot scrub or pumice stone session can help remove dead skin and prevent odors from sticking around. Do your favorite shoes leave no room for your feet to breathe? Wearing footwear that's too tight or made of non-breathable materials can trap moisture and encourage bacterial growth. This means double trouble for your toes, with smells becoming harder to avoid. Go for comfortable footwear with breathable fabrics like leather or mesh that allow air circulation. Alternating your shoes daily also gives them time to dry out completely, reducing the chances of odor. You might not realize it, but an injured toenail can also cause odor. When the nail is damaged, it creates openings for bacteria or fungi to settle in. Left untreated, this can lead to infections, discoloration, and, of course, that cheesy smell. If you suspect a toenail injury is causing problems, clean the area and keep it protected. For lingering pain, swelling, or odor, talk to a doctor to prevent complications. Let's talk socks. Are yours helping or hurting the situation? Synthetic socks tend to trap heat and moisture, creating the perfect environment for bacteria. Marriages. No matter how clean your feet are, the wrong socks can sabotage your efforts to banish odors. Choose socks specifically designed for moisture control, like those made of merino wool, bamboo, or technical fabrics. Pair them with breathable shoes to give bacteria no place to hide. Dealing with cheesy toenail smells isn't rocket science. It's all about forming good habits and making mindful choices. Here's a quick recap. Wash and dry your feet thoroughly every day. Opt for breathable socks and shoes. Use antifungal treatments if needed. Seek medical advice for persistent issues. Your feet will thank you for the extra attention. Sometimes, DIY fixes won't cut it, especially if the smell persists despite your best efforts. Chronic toenail fungus, unhealed injuries, or persistent odor should prompt a visit to a podiatrist. Professionals can offer treatments that go deeper than at-home remedies. Think of it as an investment in your overall health. Healthy feet mean fewer worries about infections or discomfort down the road. You've now got all the knowledge to tackle cheesy toenails for good. But are you ready to put it into action? Start by making small changes today. Wash your feet, buy breathable socks, and be kind to those hardworking toes. Remember, fresh feet lead to happy, confident steps. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with someone who could use a little foot care advice too. Subscribe to our channel for more health tips and hacks to keep you feeling and smelling great.